Hello everyone, MightyMechanic here. So today I have my 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe here, and I just changed the oil on it, and I'm going to show you how you can reset the change oil light. And this should be the same between the 99 through 06 and 07 Classic Silverados. I'm not sure if it's going to be the same on the newer ones, but I know it'll be the same on those. So you look right down here, and the older ones is going to be a little message center right here. See that right there? There it is. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to press your gas pedal down 3 times within like a 5-second period. Okay, key is in the on position, but engine is off. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Right there, oil life reset. So then you do like this, turn back off. You can put it back on again. Okay, and now you are done. So it's really that simple to do. You just press your gas pedal in, as you see, just kind of do it slowly 3 times, and that'll reset your oil life. So anyway, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful, please give it a like. Be sure to subscribe to see all my new videos in the future, and I will see y'all next time.